In this video, we are discussing some reactions of amines and diazonium salts. See here, aromatic amines like aniline, when it reacts with HNO2, that is nitrous acid, which is formed by reaction with NaNO2 and HCl. Okay. When aromatic amine reacts with nitrous acid at 0 degree centigrade, it gives diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride. These diazonium salts are quite stable and they undergo various nucleophilic substitution reaction. This group get easily replaced by some other nucleophiles and various functional groups can get added to the aromatic ring and we get different aromatic compounds. The preparation and reactions of benzene diazonium chloride we already discussed in last video. But when aliphatic amines, aliphatic primary amine, example ethylamine, when it reacts with nitrous acid, no doubt it also gives diazonium salt, that is ethane diazonium chloride. But these salts are highly unstable and they easily undergo hydrolysis and form alcohol. Diazonium salt get replaced with OH group and alcohol is formed. So we can say that directly we can write down that aliphatic primary amines on reaction with nitrous acid gives alcohol with the evolution of nitrogen gas. See one more example. Here propylamine, it is also a aliphatic primary amine. When it reacts with nitrous acid, NH2 group get replaced with OH group and amine get converted into alcohol. Now see here some more reactions. Such type of questions are asked in exam to identify A, B, C and D. So here the starting compound is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene on reduction gives A on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl gives B on reaction with UCN gives C, and C on hydrolysis gives D. So what are these different products? Nitrobenzene on reduction. So NO2 group get converted into NH2. Here you keep in mind that whenever such type of reactions are given, the major changes are always in the functional. Here you can see benzene ring in all the cases remains same. Only NO2 group is converted into NH2. Now aromatic amines, here aniline, it on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, that it reacts with HNO2 and it undergo diazotization. So what we will get? N equal bond N plus charge on nitrogen and Cl minus. So benzene diazonium chloride is formed. This benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with CuCN, this diazonium group get replaced with Cn. So benzene cyanide is formed. Benzene cyanide on hydrolysis gives COOH. So benzoic acid is formed. So when nitrobenzene, it undergo different steps of reactions. Nitrobenzene can get converted into benzoic acid. Let's see here. Answers are given in this. Few more reaction. Here I will just write down the answers. Benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with CuCN. Just saw this reaction. Here what happened? Diazonium group get replaced with cyanide. Okay. Cyanide group on hydrolysis. I already told you benzene ring will remain as it is. H5, cyanide on hydrolysis gives COOH. COOH. So now acid on reaction with ammonia, it gives C6H5 CO NH2. That is benzamide is formed. So, okay. Second reaction, ethyl bromide on reaction with KCN. Here it's a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bromine get replaced with cyanide, CH2CN. Cyanide on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride gives CH3, CH2. Here, reduction of cyanide gives primary amine, CH2NH2. So, CN get converted into CH2NH2. Ethyl cyanide get converted into propyl amine. In this reaction, you can see the one carbon atom or one CH2 group is added here. Ethyl get converted into propyl. Such reactions are called as step-up reaction. Now this propylamine, it's a aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine on reaction with nitrous acid gives alcohol. What we will get here? CH3, CH2, CH2, and in place of NH2 we will get OH here. Alcohol is formed. Now nitrobenzene. Third reaction, nitrobenzene on reduction gives, yes, gives amine. Aniline is formed, C6H5NH2. These aromatic amines on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl gives diazonium salt, and it is C6H5N triple bond N Cl minus. Okay. Now diazonium chloride on hydrolysis gives OH group. Here what we will get? 6H5OH. That is phenol is formed. Now next is acetic acid on reaction with ammonia gives CH3, CONH2. Acetamide. Acetamide on reaction with sodium hypochlorite, which is nothing but bromine in presence of NaOH. This is also known as Hoffman degradation method. In this method, one carbon atom is removed. That is, carbonyl group of acetamide is removed, and here we get CH3NH2. That is methylamine. In this reaction, acetamide get converted into amine with one carbon atom less. Hence, it is also known as step down reaction. Now, methylamine, the primary aliphatic amine on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, the NH2 group get replaced with OH group. That is methyl alcohol. So in this way, we can find out A, B, and C. Okay. Here we finish all the reactions of amines and diazonium salt. Thank you so much.